This is for somebody who wants to go to the gym but has gym anxiety. All right, they think that everybody's looking at them. They think that everybody's judging them. Who cares, right? Because it's all about you. You're the one that's getting better. You do you. You let everybody else do them. And guess what? They're probably not even watching you, right? Everybody's focusing on themselves. Because every day you got a few choices to make. You can either make excuses or you can make things happen. Man, let me tell you something. Last night I went to sleep late, had some things to do. All the excuses started kicking in of, oh, just, take the day off today, this and that. And I was like, I knew I wanted to hit the gym today. I got things to do. And when I don't get these things done, then my day's behind. If I don't get up early, I'm already starting behind. And so it's still dark outside. Kids are asleep. Get my little pre-workout going here and get my day started. So I'm gonna go hit the gym. I already got some meals planned out for today. You can make excuses or you can make it happen. That's our choice. That's something that we can control. So I'm gonna go make it happen. Come on. And also, since it's so early in the morning, I'm not gonna start cooking, making a bunch of noise, but I do have one of these right here. So I'm gonna have this on the way to the gym. I'm getting a little bit hungry, but it's still too early to cook because, kids are home. I'm gonna make a bunch of noise. So I'm gonna go ahead and just have one of these. My favorite, Built Puff Protein. Come on now. This thing is so good. So I eat this on the way to the gym and it doesn't fill me up or anything. It gives me a little bit of protein and it helps me get something in my stomach. So get you one, man, get you some of these. I always talk about these things, are great. So I'm eat this on the way to the gym, have my pre-workout, get this workout in. Come on now. I've gotten comments that people have gym anxiety, and that's understandable, man. Like some people, they're worried about what other people are going to think about them. They're worried, what are they going to do? There's just so many different worries that can come up. And I'm here to tell you, it doesn't matter. You can do it, all right? If going to the gym is something you want to do, then you can do it. Now, the gym's not for everybody. Not everybody wants to work out at the gym. That's totally fine, totally understandable. I love working out at the gym. It's just what I do. But if you are concerned that somebody's going to be looking at you, there's just all kinds of excuses as to why you're not going to go. Man, just go. All right. If you don't know how to do an exercise, ask somebody. I'm trying to tell you, 99% of those people there, I would say 99.9% of the people will help you out. All right. Just don't go interrupt them in the middle of their set. Ask a trainer. They will help you out. All right. I've never had an issue with the trainer not helping me out. And I still ask questions all the time.
So when you do it bent, over like that, do you
try to mimic a skull crusher?
Like a skull crusher, right?
Skull crusher is terrible on my elbow.
Oh, really? So like, cause I try to do them like on the Smith machine as well, where you go deep down like that. But I guess if you have it, yeah, like that. Yeah, same. That's the same thing. Yeah, but yeah, if you use this bar right here, that makes.
It's deep.
Yeah, it gets deep in there. Yeah, like you said, mimic a skull crusher. Just standing up. Yeah, man, shoot, I'm gonna check that out. I did there. I just talked to one of the trainers here at the gym. I saw him doing a tricep movement. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna check that out, man. I've never done it like that. So that's what I mean. Don't be afraid to ask for any help, any advice. You see somebody doing something, go ask, man. I'm trying to tell you, do not go in there blindly. Learn from what other people are doing. Then go try it out, see if it works for you. All right.
Do not be afraid to do that. Okay. Don't let that stop you. If your goal is to get in the gym more, go. All right. Just go. Don't make excuses. Just go. I'm here to tell you it's okay. All right. Forget what everybody else thinks. Go in there, kind of have a plan of what you want to do, what you want to work out, have a backup plan. If that machine is taken, then find another machine, or if that's taken or something, have an idea. Look at some of my workouts, look at other people's workouts, have a plan, something that so you don't just go in and don't know what to do. And if you don't know how to use a machine, just ask. All right. Do not be afraid to ask. You have to ask. I don't want that stopping you from reaching your goals. Because one thing you can think about it, everybody who is there at the gym with you made a decision that morning or made a decision that day to be there, just like you, right? They're there to make themselves better, just like you. One of the main things I can tell you to do is have your stuff ready in the morning. If you go in the morning, have your stuff ready. And so that's one thing that's not going to stop you. Because believe me, if you take 15 minutes to put your shoes on now, you're probably not going to end up going, okay? unless you live across the street from the gym or something. But I just want to get on here and say that because I know I keep getting comments about, you know, they don't know what to do in the gym, or they're worried how people look at them or something. Let me tell you, Mr. Mom, telling you right now, you get your butt in the gym and you go get it done. Don't you worry about nobody else. You need some help, ask for some help. There's nothing wrong with that. It's a lifestyle. It's a habit. You're going to feel better when you go home, even if you halfway do a workout. That don't matter. You're going to feel better. I promise you. I know, like today, I wasn't feeling it, right? I still went in, still handled business, and I say, you know what? I can either make excuses or I can make it happen. And today I'm going to make it happen. And I have control over that. You have control over that as well. If you need some motivation, this is your motivation. I'm telling you to go get your butt in the gym now. Go get your workout in. Might not be the best, but it's better than doing nothing. All right. So let me know in the comments if you're going to the gym today. Let me know in the comments what you're working out today. And just let me know in the comments if you do suffer from gym anxiety. All right. What is holding you back from going to the gym? It might not be gym anxiety. It might be something else, right? What's holding you back from going to the gym? Let me know in the comments. Let us all know. And because I've been there. All right. I've been there, and I'm sure a lot of people watching this video have been there as well. You're not alone. All right. You can do this. You can do it. Let me tell you that right now. Let me say it again. You can do it. All right. Now get your butt up and go work out or do something.
You can either make excuses or you make things happen. And today we made things happen. Sometimes you don't get the best workout in, but as long as you show up, that's step number one, you know. And there's going to be things that are going to try to stop you early in the morning. You just can't let it happen, man. You got to be ready. You got to stay ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. I always say that because, man, it took a lot for me to get here today, but I'm here. Knocked out a little workout. Now I'm starting to get a little bit hungry. I think I'm going to fly by the grocery store on the way home because I need to get some protein now. Come on. And all I had was that Built protein bar. So that's not gonna hold me down too. I'm already starving, but I do have a post-workout shake with me, which is just 1 scoop of Ascent whey protein and some creatine in there. All right. So I'm gonna have that on the way to the grocery store, and then go get me some more protein. And then I'm probably gonna go home, have some eggs, probably throw some beef in there with a little cottage cheese. Come on now, I'm gonna get a good protein amount. And then for lunch, I'm probably gonna have, you know, some type of chicken or beef first, and then I'll build around that. But I always recommend you focus on starting with protein first. Okay, so start with your protein, and then you build around that. Have a protein goal, whatever that goal is. If your goal is to, let's say your target lean body weight is 150 pounds, try to get 150 grams of protein in. I always recommend that. And the only way you're going to know, you have to track it, right? You can't just guess at it, right? You got to be tracking everything. Get your MyFitnessPal. I can't say that enough. It's a free app. Put it on your phone. Track all your food. Go get you a scale. If you're really serious about making some changes, one of the main things I can recommend you put in your kitchen is a scale, and then use it, all right? You got to use it too. You can't just let it sit there and look pretty on your counter. You got to use it. And weigh out all your food. Weigh out your chicken. Weigh out your beef. I weigh out everything raw. I weigh out all my pasta dry. So weigh out everything you can, and then track it and know exactly how much protein you're getting, how many carbs you're getting, how much fat you're getting. Okay. And then you can know where you stand. Try to reach your protein goals first. All right. So if 150 grams is your goal, try to reach that. All right. I got plenty of videos to help you do that. And I got videos to help you do that by lunchtime. I got videos to help you do that all day long, little meals, whatever you need, I got you covered. All right. Building around protein first. Go get you some protein first, and then just build around that. Keep those sauces and spices I always talk about in stock so that you can eat no matter what. Okay. There's no more excuses. Stop making excuses and start making it happen. And you're gonna see some changes, man. We're gonna make some changes.
Spend 30 minutes on yourself today, and you're gonna be better for it. All right. We're all gonna keep getting better. Believe that.